Right, we're looking at the product rule and the quotient rule here. Product, as you probably know or should know, means multiplied, so that's when two separate sort of functions are multiplied. Quotient means divide, that's when two functions, one's divided by another. Okay, so you can look up the formula. I'm just going to show you how to use them. Alright, now with the product rule, we've got to call one of them u, and I'm going to call u x cubed, and I'm going to call one of them v, and that's ln x. Now, I've got to find du dx, okay, and that's going to be 3x squared, and I've also got to find dv dx, which is going to be 1 over x. That's one of those standard differentials that we're supposed to remember. Now, the product rule says that dy dx is, and I always call this v du, so v du is 3x squared ln x plus u dv x cubed times 1 over x, and we then simplify from there. So dy dx, trying to write it as neatly as possible, 3x squared ln x, right, and then x cubed divided by 1 over x is just going to be x squared. Now that will factorise. You don't have to factorise, they often do, but like I say, there's no need. They're testing your maths, and the fact is you've done your maths correctly there. Now then, this doesn't look like much of a quotient rule, but we know that cot x equals, where are we, cos x over sin x. Right, so now it becomes the quotient rule. Again, we need a u, which I'm going to call cos x, and it's important you get this the right way around, and a v, which is going to be sin x. Now, the quotient rule is given to you in your formula book. It's not very nice to look at, but it is derived from the product rule, funnily enough. So there you go. Again, we've got to find du dx, which is going to be minus sine of x, and this, the other thing I did mean to say actually at the beginning was I know we've got the standard differential of cot x, but this shows you where it comes from actually. So here we go, dv dx is going to be cos x. So here we go, so dy dx using the quotient rule equals, and it's v du, so sine x times minus sine x minus sine x minus, and that's why it's important to get this the right way around, u dv, so that's cos x times cos x, cos x, cos x. Right, I'm not going to put a multiply sign in there purely because I've run out of room, over sine x squared, v squared. Alright, now that's given to you in the formula book. Now when I simplify that, I'm going to get minus, and I'm going to put it in brackets because I'm running out of room, sine squared x plus cos squared x, okay, all over sine squared x, sine squared x, and that will simplify to minus 1 over sine squared x, which equals minus cos x squared x, and there you go. Alright, but ultimately you're given the quotient rule. Alright, so you just got to make sure you get your u and your v round the right way actually. U is always the numerator and v is always the denominator, otherwise it goes a little bit wrong. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. You're just literally chucking stuff in the formula and simplifying. Again, if it doesn't simplify really obviously, don't bother. They're checking whether you can pick the right rule to use and whether you can put stuff into the rule correctly. Alright?